Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Creating folders on your iPhone is an excellent way to keep your apps organized and easily accessible. This concise guide will walk you through the simple steps to create and manage folders on your iPhone. Let's get started. The first step is to enter the jiggle mode. Start by long pressing any space on the home screen until the icon starts to jiggle. This is called the jiggle mode. Next, you create a folder. Drag one app icon over another app icon that you want to include in the same folder. Hold it there until a folder is created and the screen changes to show the folder containing both apps. Next, you name the folder. Once the folder is created, it will automatically suggest a name based on the app's category. To rename it, tap on the folder name field and type your desired name. You can also add more apps to the folder. To add additional apps to the folder, drag and drop more app icon into the folder while still in jiggle mode. You can also organize apps within the folder. Open the folder by tapping on it. You can rearrange the apps within the folder by dragging and dropping them in your preferred order. Once you're satisfied with your folder and app arrangement, tap Done if available in the top right corner, or press the Home button if your phone has one to exit the jiggle mode. And that's it, guys. Folders is a fantastic way to declutter your home screen and keep your apps organized. By following these simple steps, you can create and manage folder on your iPhone effectively. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.